Neema apele ma en nyathi achiel kuom jotije ma kambi mar All Media Services Tony maong'ere kaka Anelka. Lamo no otime kanisa mar Maxwell SD Nairobi kendo oyuorie gi anyuola, wede, osiepe kod jotije matiyo gi Tony kod minode. Mosenindo Neema nyocha wito ngimane bang' tuore aming'a kendo mane omiyo obede osiptal kuom dweche 8.
I want to thank everyone who's been able to support us throughout the year, more particularly the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, the Law and Media Services, my friends who always supported me without me asking for support. You filled my cup, you filled the gap that...
Ukiangalia mtoto mwenyewe, she's a fighter, and then you console yourself, you really need to fight with her, and you get the encouragement that you really need to carry on, and hope that no matter how dark the night is, there will be some light.
We will continue working with you and supporting you as you continue with the healing journey. We know it will take time, but God, who is able, will take you through step by step.
You are a wonderful worker, a wonderful colleague, not only like a colleague but a friend, and therefore we are with you during this time. Pole sana from all the others. We carry a lot of love from them. We are just a representation of the many.